Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your freelancer app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on email and notifications. When you click here on email and notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down here, you keep going down here. So when you keep going down here, then you come here to post notifications for workspaces here. Then you come here to when someone likes your post or comments, clicking this sign. The like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.